Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually connect your master-combo-decoder onto your home theater, your sound system, or your speakers, how you call it. Okay, so this is a master-combo-decoder, and we have here the HDMI output and then the AV output over here. So if you are using an old TV and you are using this cable, the AV cable, it's very simple to connect to the sound system. The yellow cable holds the video, or the yellow port holds the video, so connect the yellow cable over here, and then the red and white holds the audio. So split the cable and then send this yellow cable onto your TV. This is the only cable that have to be on your TV or in your TV port. Inserting onto the TV port the video or the yellow ports over there. Okay, and then these two cables, that's the red and white, goes to your sound system, your home theater, or your speakers. That's very simple. And if maybe your sound system is not having this kind of ports, this same AV port over there, but it's having a different port, that's a stereo port, maybe it's the latest home theater, so you're having a stereo port, all you got to do is to get this type of cable, a stereo to phono cable that will be receiving the signal. Okay, so you insert it over here into the stereo port on your sound system, and then separate the cable, insert in the red and white, red to red port on the red cable, and the yellow to your TV. But in case maybe you are using a plasma TV over here, you don't have to connect the yellow onto the TV, so just tap in, connect the HDMI over here, your HDMI over here, and then this side onto your plasma TV. So this HDMI will be sending the video signal over there, and then you turn off the TV volume, and then you get a sound from your sound system or your home theater, and you are good to go. And tap the sound from your plasma TV. You have plasma TV that have the AV output over there, so it's very simple and it's easier to do the connection. So if you are new here, all you got to do is to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share on other platforms. If you don't understand anything, just comment below and I'll get back to you shortly. All right, thanks for watching. Bless.